My name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I would like to talk to you about Botox done at our office. Getting Botox only takes a few minutes and you won't need local anesthesia. The doctor uses small needles to inject Botox into specific muscles with only minor discomfort. The effects of Botox typically take 3 to 14 days to occur. Botox is most often used on forehead lines, crow's feet, which are the lines around your eyes, and frown lines. Botox lasts 3 to 6 months. The more routine you are with your treatments, the longer it will last. Wearing makeup or any type of moisturizer the day of the procedure is not recommended, as it can clog the open sites. It is also best to avoid rubbing your face after the procedure is completed. Avoiding exercise is also recommended the day of the procedure.
I come here to get Botox because the staff is so friendly and the quality of the Botox I find is so different than other places I have tried. I feel younger, I feel very safe when I'm here, and I know that I'm getting quality Botox. It's the best decision I've ever made.
For more information on how we can set up a Botox appointment at our office, please call Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.